This could be a past person right in here, your ex-lover. This person here, na-miss ka na niya. Number 6 could be somewhat important, but definitely this is your ex-lover right in here who still loves you. Look at how big the cup. This person here still loves you. Let me see. Oh, at sinikreto niya yan na medyo matagal-tagal. I don't know what happened sa inyong dalawa, pero mukhang matagal-tagal na nang alam na mahal ka pa rin niya. Let me see kung may plano itong lumapit sa inyo or ano ba talagang tunay na nangyayari sa kanya dito. Kasi parang yung energy is, I don't know, nakakaramdam ako ng parang pagpapawis, no? Na parang alam mo yung pinagpapawisan ka, no? Dahil kinakabahan ka. Or maybe there's something na parang natatakot ka. Ganun yung energy niya. So, let me see. Just take only what resonates, okay? Feel free. Nai-pick up lang yung mga mensaheng kumakonect sa inyo. Leave the rest behind kasi baka yun ay for other viewers naman. Thank you so much, Archangel Michael, and the presence ng ating mga guardian angels ni Collective. Thank you so much. Okay, let's go ahead and check this other informations right in here. Of course, the details dito coming from the universe. Thank you so much. Oh, hindi maganda ang gising nito, parang naalimpungatan. Yun yung energy niya rito, no? Parang may energy rito ng dahil sa panaginip, no? Bigla siyang nagising. O, literally yun pero meron din ditong bagay na bigla-bigla siyang na-realize at mukhang may bagay din na bigla-bigla siyang gustong gawin. So, in the middle of the night, no, iba rito, no, sa hati ng umaga at gabi, madaling araw, na meron siya ditong gustong gawin. Let me see more. Ooh! So, kung ano man yung panaginip na yun, it has something to do with you. You are appearing as the Queen of Cups. Wala tayong gender dito ba, lalaki, LGBT. Okay, it is like a nightmare for this person here. No? Kasi doon sa panaginip na yun, you are really walking away sa pagmamahal mo sa kanya. Yan. Alam mo, I'm picking up right in here, no, na hindi ka naman talaga na fell out of love sa kanya. It's just that you realize that you deserve something better. Yan. You deserve better treatment. You deserve the love, like the love you give dito sa tao na to. And it looks like yung panaginip na ito na para kang nagpapaalam sa kanya na you are moving on sa iyong life without him or her. And you are not waiting any longer. It's okay, it's alright, no, your feelings are all valid, no, but let me tell you that the dreams are reflection, just like a mirror, no, reflection of the soul. Look at that, the center of the reading, Four of Coins energy. Yeah, this is the core energy of this ex-lover of yours. Let me see. This person here is not showing close off anymore. Look at the movement na sinabi ko sa inyo kanina. This is the Eight of Wands now. May bigla-biglang gagawin right at the middle of the night. Maybe this person here will try to call you, chat you, text you, or tumakbo ng nakapajama papunta sa inyo pero at least hindi naka-boxer lang. So this person here will rush into you because of this nightmare, this panaginip right in here. Now, this is not a magandang panaginip with the Four of Swords energy. For him or her, it's not a magandang panaginip because you are namamaalam sa kanya rito na hindi mo na siya kaya ritong tanggapin sa life mo, that you think you deserve someone better than him or her, no? But this person here, no, still wishes na kung sino man yun, sana siya pa rin. Yan, no? Kung sino man, kung may nagugustuhan ka na, pwede bang maging siya yun? No, naalala ko yung song, no, Can I Be Him? You want to do, you know that yung song na yun, no? So, this person here, no, wants to be the person you love or you will love. Yun. So, bottom of the deck we have here, yeah. Let me tell you, get straight to the point tayo This person here do not want this to happen. This person here believes in dreams, believes na yung dreams ay isang klase ng portal para magpadala ng mensahe, no? So this person here thinks that you're sending him or her telepathic message that you are now moving on, you are no longer waiting sa kanya, and yun yung nagpapagising sa kanya ngayon. Hindi ka niya kayang i-let go. This person here cannot let you go. Sorry, pero hindi kita kayang i-let go. This person here will rush into you, run into you. Pwedeng nakapajamas siya rito, no, or whatsoever, nakapambahay, gora na te. Okay, so magmamadali siya rito. Lahat tayong gender, by lalaki LGBT, this person here will rush into you, will rush into his or her love of his or her life. Yung nakita natin dito. And that dream feels very real to the point na sa sobrang real nito, pwedeng nagising siya, teary eyes, no, or umiyak siya, hindi niya alam na umiyak siya, no. But yeah, this person right in here, no, mapa babae, mapa lalaki, LGBTQs, this person here will not let this happen. You are not going anywhere without him or her. This person here will run to you. Yeah. I wanna run to you. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, will you hold me in your arms and keep me safe from harm? Yun. Ay, ay. So, kasi naman 'tong energy na 'to 'no, hindi na siya dito magmamatigas. Two of Swords in reverse now, not being closed off anymore. His or her feelings are willing na siya to let it all out. This person here will tell you his or her feelings for you and that he or she loves you. Yeah. So, yeah, bago natin na pag-usapan ito, mabati muna natin everybody. Hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers, kay returning istambayers, kapayaters, thank you so much. Kung hindi nyo pa knows, meron pa tayong main channel, link down below lang mga bibs sa ating description box. So if interested for more collective readings for all signs, just click lang yan para makarating kayo doon agad-agad, and then voila, ando na kayo, ano. You can watch kahit yung mga old na uploaded na mga video readings because timeless ang mga energy or tarot readings. Hindi lang sa channel ko, no? Sa lahat ng mga pinapanood din yung tarot or energy readings, no, na channel, no. Ibig sabihin nun, kahit na ilang dekada pa uploaded yan dyan, kung parang feeling mo, tinatawag ka ng reading na yan, then you need to open that and hear the messages. Baka yun pa lang yung right time para marinig mo yung mga nakapaloob na messages because those messages ay definitely for, yeah. And yes, mga babes, no, kagaya na binanggit ko kanina, wala tayong gender, bae, lalaki, LGBT, and of course, you can also flip roles if you want because this is general reading. And at the end of the day, lahat ay may free will na free mong gamitin anytime, anywhere. Okay? So yeah, sa iba sa inyo, like what I've said, timeless ito, pwede nangyari na. Sa iba nangyayari na, no, which is high frequency here, and sa iba ay mangyayari pa lang here. Someone can sleep at night at hindi siya makakapaghintay ng umaga rito. Okay? This person will rush into you. Kaya baka magulat kayo, bigla na lang kumatok dito sa inyo, kapag alala, hindi yan magnanakaw. Okay? So, kung sino man tong energy na to, this person right in here, no, will straight na pupunta rito sa inyo. Yan, no. Walking distance man yung bahay ninyo, kailangan pang bumiyahe dito, gora na te. Yan ang nakikita natin. So, this person here, no, yung dream na yun, kagaya ng binanggit ko kanina, no, ay dream wherein you are saying goodbye, no, doon sa person na yun. At ayaw nito na mangyari ito kasi naniniwala siya na yung mga dreams ay messages na totoo and real. This person here do not want to let go of you because iniisip niya pa lang, eh, nasasaktan na siya dito. Lalo na may plano pa talaga siya ritong bumalik sa inyo rito. No, hindi niya pa man din nagagawa yung plano niya. Ano ba to? Is this some kind of premonition right in here? No, I won't let this happen. Kahit si universe willing siyang kalabanin dito. No, I know. But this is what this person's here telling me inside his or her thoughts. Ayan ang nakalagay. Eight of Wands energy, definitely this is fast-moving energy. Like after this nightmare right in here, no? Wala nang hila-hilamos, be. Wala nang mumug dito, gora na. So, kasi naman to, no, you will receive a call right in the middle of the night. And this person here wants to see you. Okay, kaya wag kang magulat if this person here will pull you and then hug you very tight because this person here ayaw ka niyang mag-say goodbye sa kanya and sa relationship ninyo kasi may plano pa siyang balikan kayo rito, 'no? So, don't tell him or her 'no, na aalis kayo, ayaw niya yon. "Okay, sorry, but I can't let you go." You will definitely hear those exact words coming from his or her lips, telling you to just stay right beside him and sorry for everything. Let's start all over again. Yun yung maririnig niyo sa kanya because with this Four of Cups energy, eh, isang malaking kasyungahan kung sa pangalawang pagkakataon pababayaan niya ang relasyon ninyo. So I do see that with the Hangman energy and the Ace of Swords, this person right in here, no, ito yung plano niya rito at hindi ko siya nakikitang magba-back out. Ace of Swords energy, lahat na ng gusto rito na kanyang sabihin, sasabihin niya na no need to practice, no need to uh, say any filtered words. Wala nang ganon. This person right in here will tell you everything na minention ko kanina. No? This person right in here is so afraid that that dream will come true because it feels so real. And it is uh, giving him or her, no, those chills. No? Natatakot siya dito na baka mangyari yun. No? So, ayaw niya mangyari yun. So, hindi siya dito magwe-waste ng time. Kaya eto siya, no? Okay, kukunin niya lang dito yung jacket niya, yung coat niya or whatever, no? And then this person will rush into you. Wallet niya kukunin niya lang, no? Babiyahe siya dito sa inyo. Alam niyo naman, may motor man siya dito sa sasakyan, Gora na. Kung kailangan mag-commute, Gora din. Yan yung nakikita ko dito. Eh, kahit ano na lang matiyempohan diyan kasi nga madaling araw ito 'no, kahit na may pedicab pa diyan 'no, okey, baka hiramin niya pa yun kay manong siya ng magda-drive. Bibilisan niya, para lang talaga rito makarating siya ng mabilis-bilis talaga rito 'no. And ikaw maaaring magulat ka nung ginagawa niyo diyan, sarap lang ng bahay ninyo or whatsoever 'no. And then if you have a dog 'no, you will hear 'no, dog barking 'no, and you might think na, "Ay naku, baka may magnanakaw sa labas." Hindi mo alam siya pala yun 'no, pero yun nga 'no, nanakawin niya rin kasi dito yung puso mo. Eh, pero siyempre nasa sa'yo pa rin yan mare 'no or pare, kasi alam mo naman, kaya ang kumare ninyo ay nagpaparating lang ng mensahe rito, tamang tsismis lang, 'di ba? Pero alam mo, hindi ko alam, pero itong person na ito na hindi siya mahilig sa mga K-dramas or whatsoever 'no, especially if this is a guy, I do see na talagang ito yung bugso ng damdamin kaya nakikita natin dito na itong person na 'to ay, klase ng person dito na hindi magdadalawang isip. Hindi niya kaya ritong mawala ka sa buhay niya lalo na na-realize niya ngayon sobrang mahalaga ka. Hmm, ote, 'di ba? So yan mga babes 'no, sa inyong mga kamay ang desisyon dito 'no. Pero yun nga sorry, pero hindi ka niya ile-let go, hindi niya kaya. Mm, yeah. So initials na tayo, we have here capital letter M, capital letter K, capital letter J, capital letter N, capital letter G, capital letter D as in dog, capital letter T, capital letter O, and capital letter H. Okay, for our small letters naman, we have B as in boy, O, S for S, maaring dalawa daw ito pero maaring hindi dikit. We also have here C, Y, L, and last but not least, we have A. Yung A maaaring more than 2, so baka 3 ang A's na pinakamaraming A dyan. Okay, maaring names niya or name niya. So, ito yung mga messages na kuha ko right here for you guys. Thank you so much. It's all up sa inyo. Totally up sa'yo. Anong gagawin mo dito, no? Okay, siguro isa itong klase ng mensahe dito, no? For you to be able to know how you will react kasi you will definitely, nakita ko rito parang masusurprise ka, magugulat ka no, to the point na alam mo yung tulog ka kakagising mo lang, wala ka pang pagsuklay-suklay tapos may tumatawag sa'yo, hindi mo alam kung ano ba yun, multo ba o ano. Okay, that's your person calling you out. Okay, in the middle of the night, you know. So, ito yung mga mensahe nakuha ko right here for ya. Ganun yun, any for the girls and yana na for the boys. Sayang, hey, love and light, hidra. Annyeong.